Hello and welcome to the video where we are going to be showcasing an AI-powered chatbot. So this particular large language model powered chatbot has been built to help e-commerce companies or e-commerce brands with customer support, product recommendation, ticket creation, order tracking, and order modification. So if we take a look at the screen, here you can see our Airtable, which is being connected to the chatbot. And if we change tab, we can see Zendesk for our ticket creation and ticket modification. And if we change tab, we can see our backend setup, which we have built through make.com. And so here we have our chatbot user interface. And so for the first test, what we'll be demonstrating is customer support and product recommendation. And what you will see at the end is that if the user is using our chatbot for the first time, we will also be able to capture their information, particularly their email address, so that we can, well, for an e-commerce company, use that particular email for all email communications. So let's say, let me find something to wear. Yes, this is my first time. I'm looking for something to train a gym. So one of the things that the reason I'm typing here is to demonstrate that our chatbot or our virtual assistant is also built to handle natural language. That is the entire reason we have it powered by a large language model. So we just say full gym kit. And it pulls up a particular product that we might be a perfect match for. So it has the name, the price, the details, the sizing, and the link to find it. So does this gear fit what we're looking for? Let's just say yes. Excellent choice. The fundamental expertise is stable for heavy lifting. To complete the kit, I'd recommend pairing it with our Vanguard mesh. So we've also built in product upselling. So in case we want to upsell a particular product, so it also has a function to upsell that particular product that was recommended. And then finally, it asks the user if they would also like to sign up for their newsletter. Say yes. The email will be dane12@gmail.com. Do you need something else? No, thank you. So that will be just the first test. So what you will notice is that we will be going through these tests step by step, because I would imagine that when a user would like to interact with the chatbot, they'll have one particular function or one specific thing they would like to ask at that moment. Okay. Perfect. The chat is ended. So if we go to our make scenario, we can see that our webhook response and our backend automation fired successfully. And if we go to our Google Sheets, here you will see that the email was captured. And so for our second test, we will be testing our order modification flow. So you can type it, I have an order question, let's say, just type it in. I would like to modify my order. What is the order number? So let's just change tab and go into our Airtable. So as you can see, these are a list of orders that we want. So let's pick order number, the first one. Just copy that, go back to our chatbot and paste it in. I'd like to change item size. The order modification notes, let's just say I want to change the size from XL to X. What is the email? I go back to Airtable and then just copy the email, go back to our chatbot and paste in the email. So thanks. No, thank you. And so if you jump to our Airtable, here you can see that the order was modified, change item size. And if you expand on the note, we can see it says I want to change the size from XL to X, which means that the order modification flow worked perfectly and seamlessly. And so for our final test, what we will be testing is the ticket login flow. So if the user comes to a chatbot and types in, I would like to log a ticket, and certainly I can help with that. So name, turn on. Studios.co.za. This order number 1024 is showing up as we completed, but I haven't received the tracking link yet. Fix the spelling and send that. So conversation has been completed. So now if we jump to our Zendesk, and as you can see, ticket creating from order number 1024 is showing up as completed, but I haven't received the tracking link. So that marks the end of our demo. So when it comes to the back end, you can definitely interchange all of these softwares. Maybe you can substitute Airtable for your in-company CRM that you use to manage orders, or Google Sheets for an email managing software like MailChimp, etc. So thank you for watching the video and have a good one.